Thank you very much. I'm going to keep my presentation short since we're already running behind. My name is Bunge. I run Squint Opera. We are a creative studio and a production house with studios in London and in New York. Since 17 years, we create anything you could possibly need to communicate large-scale projects in the built environment. And today I'm talking about how new technologies will help us design and communicate projects in the future. And I would like to start by sharing a little glimpse of how we think those technologies could look like.
First colony established on Mars.
Interesting.
You have received an updated 3D model from the architects. There are two conflicts with the landscape design.
Quick desktop. Okay. Activate Hyperform.
Hyperform activated.
Show me project 1280.
Displaying project 1280. Project's content.
Load the landscape file. Show me plot 3.
Displaying plot 3.
Now display 3D models.
New model sent 1 minute ago.
Okay. All right, load. Highlight design conflicts.
Displaying conflicts.
Activate slice tool. Activate tree tool. Morning, Jordan.
Good morning.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was just a couple of things. Hyperform. Activate real world scale.
Activating.
Activate slice tool. Tree tool.
You received an updated 3D model. There are 37 conflicts with your landscape design.
Bollocks.
Together with some of the leading companies in the industry, we are developing Hyperform, a data-driven mixed reality software platform to design, present, and review projects. I would like to share some of the reasons why we are developing this tool. Working in the built environment, we often end up presenting three-dimensional projects on a two-dimensional interface, like a screen or on paper. We're using ancient techniques to communicate next-century solutions. Thanks to the latest VR technology, we can now trick our body into sensing spatial conditions before they get built. Being able to simulate spaces like this is radically changing the way we design and communicate. Designing and reviewing projects in a native 3D environment, being able to sense space while we are designing, will improve the spatial quality of projects. A lot of the design decisions are based on us interpreting the underlying data. And we need to understand the past, today's context, and future potentials of a site, and explore social, political, environmental, and economic dimensions. Hyperform will find available information and visualize this data in the virtual project space. This will allow us to make better informed decisions, and as a result, we should end up with better designed places. Today, we are happy if a building or public infrastructure is not bad for us. In the future, we will judge our buildings and cities by how good they are for us. And we will ask questions like, how happy and healthy does my city make me? Currently, we aim to create places which are carbon and energy neutral, but soon, we need to create environments which are productive on many levels, producing energy and food and cleaning our air and water. In order to be able to deal with these current and new complex challenges, we need to develop new tools to design and communicate projects. There really is a lot to explore and a lot to develop, and I hope that we get the chance to discuss some of it here in over the next couple of days. Thank you very much.
Welcome to GII.